Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new to my channel then welcome. So this is the second look that I have created for my Navratri makeup series and I am absolutely loving my eye makeup. In fact मेरा पूरा makeup ही मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. तो ये जो आई मेकअप मैंने क्रिएट किया है इसे आप किसी भी लिपस्टिक के साथ पेयर कर सकते हैं. रेड लिपस्टिक, मरून लिपस्टिक, डीप वाइन लिपस्टिक, पीची, पिंकी, ब्राउन, न्यूड लिपस्टिक्स के साथ भी आप इसे पेयर कर सकते हैं. मैंने इसे आज पेयर किया ये डार्क ब्राउन लिपस्टिक के साथ and I am absolutely loving this combination. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the tutorial. So let's begin with skin first. So I'm going to prime my skin with MAC's Prep Plus Prime Pore Refining Stick. Okay, so for my foundation, I'm going to apply today Elegance Pro Matte High Definition Longwear Foundation, and this one is in the shade Light Tan. And इस foundation के साथ मैं अपना Cover FX का Custom Enhancer Drops mix करने वाली हूँ, and this one is in the shade Sunlight. So I'm going to blend my foundation with Juno Co's sponge. So for my concealer, I'm going in with NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. This one is in the shade Fresh Beige. Alright. So I'm going to set my concealer with Fit Me's loose powder in the shade Light Medium number 20. And I'm going to set the rest of my face with NYX Hydra Touch Powder Foundation in the shade Golden. Just ignore my hair. I'm very bad with my hair. मेरे को जितना मेकअप करना पसंद है उतना मुझे अपना हेयर करना बहुत बोरिंग लगता है. बिल्कुल भी पेशेंस नहीं है जब हेयर की बात आती. इनफैक्ट मुझे नेल पॉलिश अप्लाई भी करना पसंद नहीं है. मुझे लाइक जाके अगर कोई मुझे करके दे तो अलग बात है, बट नेल्स का भी मुझे इतना बोरिंग लगता है, इसलिए मैं अपने एक्रेलिक जेल नेल्स करवाती हूँ. So I'm not going to apply any bronzer today. I'm directly going to go in with my blush. और ये COLOURPOP का blush highlighter palette है. ये बहुत ही पुराना है actually, लेकिन I really love the color of this blush and highlighter. It's a very pretty blush. I love this highlighter. So now let's start with eye makeup. So today I'll be using JUVIAS eyeshadow palette. This is the Warrior, and these are the shadows. So first I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow. This is called AHOSI. This is going to be a base eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. So the next eyeshadow that I will be applying is called KANO or KANO. I don't know how you pronounce it. It's a really beautiful warm toned brown eyeshadow. So first I'm going to build this eyeshadow on my outer corner and then blend it inwards. Now I'm going to go in with this shadow called BAKWA. It's a beautiful golden eyeshadow. It actually matches very well with my dress. I have to be really careful because sometimes I go like, really above my crease. And I'm just applying this shadow right in the center, okay? Okay, so now this step is completely optional. On top of this eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeshadow in the shade Starfire. And for my eyeliner, I'm applying MILANI's Stay Put Matte 17-Hour Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Coffee Matte. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to apply the same eyeshadow. So on my waterline, I'm going to go in with K Beauty's eye pencil in the shade Splendid. I really love the texture of K Beauty's eye pencils. The texture is really nice, very soft, very creamy, but you have to be a little careful वरना ये easily टूट भी जाते हैं. So yeah. So now on my inner corner, I'm going to apply this shadow. I think it's called MOREMI. And now I'm going to coat my lashes with MAC's in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. So before applying lipstick, I'm just going to quickly touch up on my blush and my highlighter. And for my lipstick, I'm going to apply NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Dubai. And now I'm going to set my makeup with SKINDINAVIA's the makeup finishing spray. So this tutorial comes to an end, guys, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also please hit on that bell icon so you don't miss out on future uploads, and I shall see you guys very soon in my next one. Until next time, keep reviving your own fashion.